What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. In this video, it's going to be a quick one, y'all. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2021 Honda HRV. Now, this procedure will also work on some older and newer model Honda HRVs. Y'all, it's a quick procedure. Don't let the dealership do this, y'all, because they're going to charge you $60 and up for this, and it's a simple procedure that you can do yourself and save yourself some money. First thing you need to do is get you a new cabin air filter. I have a link in the description for the one that I purchased. Whether you get it through my link or, you know, wherever you go and purchase it from, just go ahead and get you a new one. And the procedure is simple, so let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, first thing we're going to do is open your glove box. And on the side over here, there's an arm connected to the glove box right there. So it's going to push down on that arm, just like that, and it's going to unclip from the glove box. It clips right there. So I'm going to unclip. If you can see, there's a tab right there, and there's also another one right here on the other side. So we're gonna push the side of the glove box in. It's gonna release on that side. I'm gonna come over, gonna push get this angled right. I'm gonna push this side in, and it's gonna unclip that side, and the glove box is gonna fall down like that. All right, so now you have a tab here and a tab here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna press that tab in. We're gonna press that tab in, and this cover will come off. And behind that cover is your cabin filter. Here's a tip when pulling this cabin air filter out. If you have a lot of debris on top of this cabin filter, when you pull that filter out, all of that debris is going to fall down into your blower, or what some of us call the squirrel cage. But it's going to fall down into that blower, and once you turn your blower back on, you're going to hear a bunch of racket and some scraping, and from all of that debris getting chewed up by the squirrel cage. So to prevent all of this stuff from falling down in there, get a piece of paper or, you know, a thin sheet of cardboard or something like that. You can put it under your air filter and push it all the way back there. And while you're sliding this air filter out, all of that debris will fall down onto the cardboard or the paper instead of falling down into your blower. And that'll prevent that, you know, prevent all this stuff, all that debris from getting into your blower. So just a little tip for y'all. Now, I just recently replaced this cabin filter, but I wanted to make this video for y'all to help y'all save some money. So we're gonna pull the cabin filter out. I'm gonna pull it all the way out, and as y'all can see, this is a new filter. But once you pull it out, you look on the side here, and you can see where that airflow is in that little arrow. That arrow's pointing down, and that's the way that the air flows. And that's the way you want to put your new filter back in. You want to put it back in with the arrow facing the same way as your old filter, which the arrow should be facing down. So you put it in with the two hard type cardboard pieces. You want those to be on the side. And again, you want your arrow to be facing down where it says airflow, and you just slide that filter back in. Make sure it's pushed back all the way. And you want to take your cover, and if you can see, that cover has a arrow that says up, and you want that arrow facing up, and you want to snap this cover back on securely. And it's on secure. All right. Now, just want to raise your glove box back up and just push it up where those two tabs snap back into place. Come over here, grab your arm, pull it back down, and snap it back into place. Close the glove box, and you're good to go, y'all. You just replaced your cabin air filter and saved yourself $60 to $100. So if y'all found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll get with y'all in the next video.